वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड आज हम सीखेंगे डिजाइन फॉर कन्वर्जन. व्हाई कन्वर्जन? we recently I went through an experience and I want all of you to also have it. कि हम SBI की वेबसाइट पे गए थे and let me just open it for you. And this is how it looked. उससे थोड़ी देर पहले ही we were talking about कि SBI कैसे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा बैंक है and yada yada about it. Moments later when we open the website हमें दिखता है ये I don't know how is this a world class design. So just for comparison's sake I went to their competitors and like all of them have like pretty good pages. ICICI बैंक का तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. Axis also has a really nice design going on over here. I really like it. But on the same hand SBI is like pretty lackluster in the comparison. They're also saying if slowness is observed during login page loading, please refresh. Cool, SBI. Cool. Just give my 2 cents. SBI is like a pretty big organization. It has, you can see over here on the website itself, SBI Wealth, SBI Green, and a lot of things. Click on any of these and you got like hundreds of options. SBI is a pretty vast organization. So we're not going to do anything much. We're just going to see this page. We'll try to find out what all we can improve in this. Just say we'll get higher conversion. Now coming to this and going back to all of their competitors, one thing I've noticed is that they like emphasize on this search thing a lot. See, be it Access, even in ICICI Bank they have this, even in HDFC Bank they were talking about the search bar somewhere. Yeah, see this thing. And theirs is pretty lackluster in comparison. They are tucked somewhere in the corner. And also another pattern that I noticed was that savings account, credit card, loans, accounts, cards, loans, credit cards, loans, insurance. Okay, so all of these things, they are right there. Like on the very first fold itself, mobile app and net banking, all of these things, they're right up there. SBI doesn't have that. SBI has it here. यहाँ पे I don't know, it's easily missable. मुझे तो भी पहली बार में नहीं दिखा था. But I feel this search bar should be somewhere in the first fold here only itself. And ये सारे icons I can consolidate and उस search bar के नीचे हम डाल सकते हैं. Post that this big banner I'm not a fan of. तो ये banner को भी देखेंगे what you can do. I guess you can give it a little padding on all of the sides and just to differentiate it. It is not an interactive page, it's a photo. You can go on and this feels like this is the focus of the page. SBI online courses, but this is not. I hope SBI gets it. I don't want to do their courses. And also there are these other services for SBI that if I want to go to any specific service, मैं बस यहाँ पे click करता रह जाऊँगा. See, it's that simple. Wow. No worries. Let's see हम इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं. So ideally post this I would want this section to be a bit better. Frankly, I would not want this big of a frame to occupy for this small of an image, and so I would want them कि एक grid pattern में arranged हो. One on the side and on the below of each other based on their sizes, a bento grid or something. And this announcement should have its like own section on the side, and this other services also should not be this tap 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 tap. Wow. Ideally they should be also in a grid with like a few of the top services listed and a drop down button to show more. And there's this interest rate and quick links. I think the interest rate wala also should belong here in offers only, no? Isn't it an offer? Yeah, see, it's offer only. ये भी यहीं पे आना चाहिए. Okay. This quick link also I'll adjust somewhere. Let me just think about it. So like, what are our major takeaways from this exercise? The bank websites, because SBI, since it's the biggest बैंक इन इंडिया, इसकी वेबसाइट बहुत ज़्यादा लोग यूज़ करते हैं. इट इज़ अ मोर कंटेक्स्ट अवेयर कल्चर country and people need more information on the page, but that was for mostly rural side of India. So जब हम urban India में आते हैं, we have people who admire design, who have an aesthetic choice, who have uh, an intellect that thinks above basic needs. So for those kind of audiences, if FBI wants to go into credit cards, which say top 10% of people will ever use, and also investments and deposits, two people rarely do that. So if SBI wants to target those, I think they need to revamp their website a bit. And we'll do this because charity begins at home. So SBI का home page ही revamp करेंगे. Now that I've discussed what all I would like to do, I would just want to people to watch a good wireframing montage, post which I'll reveal कि हमने क्या बनाया.